Okay, now I'm going to teach you how to run this simulation. Since let's have a final check. Okay, everything is complete. We have the boundary, we have the part, we have the material, we have the hourglass, we have the database, control, terminations, and we have the sections. And if we check everything is okay, so then we can run the simulation. Okay, how to do it? So how to do this? So what you need to do is that you click on this, you launch this LS-DYNA program manager, you click start LS-DYNA, or you go to okay, it's okay, you just click here start LS-DYNA analysis, and maybe you can just start LS-DYNA analysis here. Okay, you go to you go to solver here, you click start LS-DYNA analysis, or the easiest way, you click here start LS-DYNA analysis, this icon here, you click, and then you can get what you want, and you go to browse, and you go to the one you want to do it. Okay, this making test, so let me check. So I need to save them first. Okay, then you select them. Okay, here you can play around with this. If you want to go for 8, it's up to you, to your CPU. It depends on your computer performance. You can choose 8, or maybe you can just let the solver decide which one this solver is going to use. So leave it as it is. Or memory also default. You can change to 1000 if you want. Okay, or maybe default. So it's up to you. So maybe you can choose 8 and 1000 here. All are possible. So in this case, I want to let this computer, the solver, decide for me. So then I just choose this and then run, and then wait. So you can see the computation time. So since you use SPC, so and then you play around with the time step, so they go very fast. And let's look how long it's going to take here. Does it mention? No. Okay, I can open. If you want to cancel this, or if you want to read how to do the simulation, you can write SW2 or wait, SW2 I think, to check summation. Control C SW2. Oh no, this is going very quick, so that's why we cannot see it. So let's wait. We will see what happened. See, this taking too long time, so maybe we should minimize the simulation. Before that, let me explain something. Okay, so this is how you perform the simulations. Okay, what we are going to extract from the results, from this final element results. What we can do is that we can go to see the effective plastic strengths. Okay, so during the shearing, you can see this is the shearing, so you can see here. Okay, what happened. So you can have you can record the video of this motion as well. Okay, you can here, and also this one measure stress. Okay, so if you look on measure stress as well, you can read the stresses, the stressing elements in this shearing zone. Let's see. Okay, still working. so it's not taking too long time. I think maybe need about 2-3 hours, and not 2-3 hours, maybe another 2-3 minutes. It can go up to 3 hours if you do not play around with the value. See something maybe. Okay, in the meantime is we can also watch this with okay, why not we open a little bit, we open the file as well, since even though they are not finished, you can still open the file even the simulation is not finished. Click here, open binary. Okay, you choose D3 plot and okay. So this is how, okay, error termination, but it's okay even though it is error. I think this is because of the too large distortions. Okay, you just play around, see what happened, so you can make it fast if you want. See, go very slow, you can see what happens to the elements. Okay, you can see it, right? This is what happened, distortion. Okay, this is fail. So what we can do is that we can modify. Okay, you go to keyword manager, you go to control additive. Okay, what you can do here is that, as I said earlier, you play around with this value, you put here 0.9. What I did 0.01, okay, 0.01 here and 0.9 here, and then what else? Okay, then okay, sorry, default. I forgot to change this to number 8. Okay, first we choose this number 8. Oh, sorry, my mistakes. So 2D are additive remeshing for asymmetric and plane strain. So since you are running 2D and for asymmetric, so I think this is number 8 here. Click accept. So the rest we leave it as default. Done. Okay, save. And then we perform this run. Okay, we're going to look what happened. Let's see what happened. Maybe it takes about less than 5 minutes to run. Let's see.